Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix HOT 11S. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet, tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. And in the end, we can add Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card. Simply select Card, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.